Alright, today we are going to put this into here. We have a bad inducer fan motor. I don't know if you can see inside there. And then we are also going to change the pressure switch. So, stay tuned. Alright, so there's the new one. There's the old one. This is what we had to do to get it out. We had to disassemble our gas control, remove the burner box, the pressure switch is out, everything's been removed, flue had to be taken off. It ended up that there was a dead bird in the inducer motor. I will show you that later, but let's keep moving. Okay, alright, we're all finished up here. We got the gas valve back up. We got the new pressure switch, new inducer fan motor. We got a working furnace. Everything's looking good. Everything's running again.